Hey there, sixth grade. I hope that you are having a super duper Thursday. Sorry, I'm not with you today. I am at a workshop and I am looking forward to coming back and telling you everything that I have learned and implementing it into our math classroom. But I want to make sure that you all feel prepared for the math test tomorrow. So today is going to be primarily about reviewing. If we have some time at the end, you'll be able to work on your PDF projects, sorry, your PFD projects with your teammates, and hopefully you can make a little bit of progress there. But today is mostly about making sure that you are ready for the test tomorrow. So let me share my screen with you here. Woohoo! Prep day. The first thing I wanted to do, this is kind of fun. I want to play Diffie with us. I'm going to play it once with you, and then you're going to do it with your seat buddy. And this is really interesting. To get the game started, and the way we're going to do it today, you can do it multiple different ways. You need to pick 4 different 2-digit numbers. Okay, so you can pick any 2-digit numbers, and I'm just going to pick randomly. Maybe I'll pick the number 23, and you have to write them into the 4 corners. Let's go 41, 56, and 72. Okay. Then what you have to do is you have to find the 2 corners that are opposite each other. So let's say 42 and 72, and you have to find the difference of them. So take your bigger one minus your smaller one and subtract them. So 72 minus 41 is 31. And so I'm going to put that in the middle of them. Okay. From 41 to 23, you may use your calculators if you want to just double check. 41 minus 23 is 18. So when I found the difference of them, they are 18 apart. From 56 minus 23 is 33. And then on the bottom, the difference of 72 minus 56 is 16. So I found the difference of all those. Now I'm going to look at the 4 new numbers that I made, the differences. So now they're on this, like on the tips of the diamond. I'm looking at the red lines of the diamond. So now I'm going to find the difference of those. So to get from 31 to 18, same thing, find the difference. Take your bigger number minus your smaller number. That's 13. Okay. From 31 to 16, I believe it's 15, but let me just double check because it matters. Okay. From 33 to 16 is going to be 2 more than 15, so that's 17. From 33 to 18 is 15. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing. So I just went in between all the red points, and now I made them onto the corners that purple square. So now I have to find the difference between 15 and 13. 15 minus 13 is 2. 15 minus 13 is 2. 17 minus 15 is 2. 17 minus 15 is 2. Isn't that crazy? Now, from the blue squares to the green squares, 2 minus 2 is 0. 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 Isn't that crazy? That is going to happen almost every single time. Sometimes you need to do one more step to get there, maybe 2, depending on the numbers. But you're going to try this with a buddy, okay? In your blue Schoology folder, I have a blank Diffie board. So go into your blue Schoology folder, and with your seat buddy, I want you to see what happens if you play Diffie with each other. So pick any 4 2-digit numbers for the outsides. Make sure they're different from each other. So 4 different numbers, and then find the difference, the difference, the difference, the difference, and then you should get down to zeros by the end. Isn't that kind of cool? Okay, then after that, the rest of the time is going to be to work. Sorry. Oops. Diffie, open in your blue Schoology folder. Okay. I'm going to ask the sub to pause on this screen. This is what I want you to work on for the rest of the time. I'm sorry that my face is covering part of it. If you can't see it, because it doesn't always record. Number one, in your blue Schoology folder, you're going to click on where it says Unit 4B Test Review. It's going to open up a Google form. It is a practice test for tomorrow. This is a reflection of the test. If you do well on this, you will probably do fine tomorrow. Do this all on your own. Take your time, do your best, and then see if you can figure out what's going on along the way. Please use your calculator. Groovy. After you finish that, go on and finish your study guide on your own. By this point, you should be able to complete these on your own. And then tomorrow, I want you to bring the paper copy to school. Don't hand it in digitally. Just bring it to me at school tomorrow. I'll collect it at the beginning of the test. Okay? After that, you need to go into your MyPath and make sure you have gotten to a total of 30 minutes for the week. You did 10 minutes on Tuesday, you did 10 minutes yesterday, so it should only be 10 more minutes today. But if you didn't quite get to your 10 minutes both of those days, you might have to do more today. So it should read 30 minutes at the end of today. Okay? After that, there is a Gimkit assignment percents that you can work on with your PDF buddy. And then after that, you can work on your PDF project. If you feel like you and your PDF buddies have a lot that you need to work on, like you haven't even started your poster yet, you can skip the Gimkit assignment and go right to your project. Okay, I will put the PDF project papers on my desk in case you need them. You can ask the sub. But again, I'm going to ask the sub to pause this, and you need to go in order. First, do number one. After you finish that, you can do number two, then three, then four, then five. But again, you can skip four if you feel like you have a lot to do. Okay, sixth grade, have a super duper day. I can't wait to hear how your days were tomorrow when I'm back, and have a great night. Bye.